Empowerment is a recent buzz in the higher education community. From faculty to students, there's a growing demand for empowerment and robust data tools to drive informed decision-making. But dealing with old systems, data issues, and productivity blocks isn't empowering, is it? With common challenges like disintegrated systems, data migration issues, and delays in decision-making, can real empowerment happen? There is a path forward with Creatrix Campus. Built to empower the higher education community, the Creatrix Campus product suite eliminates at least 10 outdated systems on your campus. With our advanced architecture and intuitive low-code, no-code platform, we deliver the best workflows for your campus operations. Our suite of solutions consists of 5 core components: student success, faculty excellence, learning experience, institutional effectiveness, and people management, to address these challenges efficiently. Take a glimpse at what we offer. Student success. Manage every aspect of the student lifecycle from CRM, admissions, and self-registration to advising, placements, and alumni under a single, easy-to-use configurable platform. Faculty excellence. Automate recruitment, onboarding, teaching plans, performance, scheduling, workload, and more with robust workflows, data analytics, and powerful buy reporting. Learning experience. Elevate learning and teaching with our suite of learning experiences featuring LMS, OBE, CBE, assessments, exams, thesis, and attendance modules. Institutional effectiveness. Enhance institutional effectiveness with Creatrix's suite, offering strategic planning, accreditation, course evaluation, curriculum management, meeting management, and scheduling modules. People management. Comprehensive HR tools to empower your workforce with recruitment, payroll, leaves, and performance. Empowering higher education campuses requires more than just software, it demands a reliable partner deeply rooted in academia. Creatrix Campus is the go-to partner for addressing the toughest challenges in higher education, today and tomorrow.